I've never seen a seance before.
When you open the door to the unliving,
We shall make contact with the unliving. I now commence this seance.
there's no telling what will enter. The terrifying, shell-tingling ghost story that's scaring the 7 seas.
SpongeBob?
And when the darkness takes hold of one of their own,
We've got a situation, Big Kid.
one crab must face the horror.
Looks like a certain foolish sponge has been conversing with the unliving.
To save his best fry cook and risk everything, even himself.
We're losing him. Do something.
The Haunting in Bikini Bottom.